Action, walk, look, laugh. Nice, nice, nice.
Please यार. Vibhu and I met during our post-graduation.
She was always my best friend. So that time I knew that there was something special.
He calls me small boss. Vibhu has always been caring. I think he has always
जेव्हा आपण बटर चिकन फर्स्ट टाइम ऑर्डर केलं होतं आणि वी फिनिश द एंटायर थिंग टुगेदर इन द आफ्टरनून दॅट टाइम आय रिअलाइज की यू आर द वन फॉर मी.
Georgia, wrap me up in all you hurt you. In my arms, let me hold ya. I'll never let you go again like I did. Oh, you used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Heaven, when I held you again, how could we ever just be friends? I would rather die than let you go. Juliet to your Romeo. I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
She's the best thing that has happened to me, and she's perfect. And the day I met her, and the day how we grew together, that we just realized that we have just meant for each other.
Was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
Liked him because he was very thoughtful, kind, and he was as compassionate as me with the animals, and he used to always care for me. It was very new situation for us, living outside our houses for the first time, so he took care of me on full time.
करून अर्पण तुला समर्पण घरात घरपण मी आज पाहिले ऋणानुबंधात गीत गंधात मी आनंदात आज गायले दिस वाटे वेगळं अन लागे कालळं हे वेडे मन माझे पुरतेच भाळले सुख कळले कळले सुख कळले 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 ना कसे असे सूर जुळले सुख कळले कळले सुख कळले 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 ना कसे असे सुर जुळले मन जुळले अंतरंगाने देहांगाने स्पर्श केला न वाटे स्वर्गच आला हाताला स्वप्न जे होते पूर्ण ते झाले मुक्त जे होते आता बंधन आले नात्याला वचनाचे अर्थ मी बंधन
चांदीच्या ताटात सोन्याची वाटी रेनबोचं नाव घेते तुमच्या सर्वांसाठी.
प्रेम म्हणजे दोन मनांचा जोडणारा पूल मधुराच्या बोलक्या डोळ्यांनी घातली मला भूल
सुख कळले कळले सुख कळले 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 ना कसे असे सुर जुळले सुख कळले कळले सुख कळले 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 ना कसे असे सुर जुळले मन जुळले
Hard to find what is true. Faded lines, then there's you. Wildfire hearts, spinning lights. Greatest art, brilliant sky.
इन द फ्युचर आय एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड की आपण आणखी खूप काही एक्सप्लोअर करू आणि खूप साऱ्या ॲनिमल्सला बघू.